そして80も。
So in terms of drivetrain, there's several options you can choose from in the 80 series. Let's start with petrols. You can either have a 3F carbureted petrol engine, or you could have a 3FE, which is similar to the American spec FJ62. Now those cars, the 3F family of engines have existed since the 40 series era, even the 20 series era too. In terms of the facelifted ones or the updated petrol engines back in '93, you get the 1FZF and the subsequent 1FZFE in '95. Those are a 4.5 liter inline six with no turbochargers to its name. It's just a standard naturally aspirated petrol engine. Onto the diesels, you have 1HZ and you have 1HDT as well as 1HDFU, which is this particular engine over here. Let's start with 1HZ. Now 1HZs are the most basic model of 80s. They exist on them. They start out as a 4.2 liter naturally aspirated indirect injection diesel, which is still being produced today and is used on HZJ 76s, 78s and 79s. That is not in Australia. That is mostly in parts of Europe where the United Nations need to use them. In terms of 1HDTs, well, 1HDTs started with the 80 series cycle back in 1989 to August of '92. Before they got a slight upgrade, which I'm not entirely sure. It could be something in relation to the rod bearings. And then in 1995 February, you got this, the 1HDFT, which is a mechanically injected 24 valve overhead cam diesel. Now this is the pick of a bunch in my opinion. For those people who paid $127,000 for a Carby 1FZ, you should absolutely go look at one of these engines. In terms of performance, they are so much better than, let's say, a 1FZ1, and in terms of longevity, these last probably longer than any 1FZ I've ever encountered. Now behind that is of course the transmissions. You've got two choices of manual transmissions and two choices of automatics. Let's start with manuals. Manuals, you start with the ones you see on the 1HZ is the slightly smaller one. I think it's an R-based transmission that you will find in a HZJ 105 or HZJ 79. It uses a 10-inch flywheel, which indicates that the internals and everything are ever so slightly smaller. Now on this car, it should be using if it were a manual, it would be a H151, which is which uses a 12-inch flywheel as well as a bigger physically gearbox, as well as the internals of it being a lot stronger. The pick of the bunch is obviously the H151. In terms of automatics, you've got two options, which is, one of them is the A440F, which is the one where you see the shifter say PRND32L. That is the early ones. The later version, if you see in 93 cars, you would see an ECT button. That ECT stands for electronically controlled transmission, which indicates that it has an ECU. Easiest way to tell that is in the gear selector. It says PRND2L. Now where's the 3 gone? Now the 3 has migrated up to where the gear selector will be with this tiny little overdrive button on the shifter. Those and that's on 93 cars. On 95 cars, they don't have a dedicated ECT button to sort of hold the revs longer to keep the engine in the power band. Obviously, we have to talk about suspension setup. Now, the 80 series' front end is coil sprung front and rear. Now, the front uses a pair of radius arms, 3-link style, and the rear uses a 5-link rear end. So in terms of factory four-wheel drive prowess, this is probably one of the better four-wheel drives you could start with. And also we're going to discuss about these the running gear too. Now these came with a few different axle options. You could have it in the K295, which is a normal 80 series one. It doesn't have any special tricks to it. Or you could have, like one of my friends has one, the triple locked version. Now what does triple lock actually effing mean? Triple lock means axle code K294, which means in the front and back there is an electric actuator for the locker as well. Now the electric actuated locker is significantly stronger than the normal 80 series one, and the normal 80 series one is already strong enough. If you add the K294 one, which has a different shaft inside as well as a few other things, it's almost indestructible. Well, I say almost indestructible. You know 80 series guys know what I'm going to say next is swivel hubs and CVs. These are the only Achilles heel to the 80 series axles, and that's about it. The only axle I can think of locally that could beat an 80 series axle is of course the Volvo C303 portal axle. Now the Volvo C303 portal axle is in a different league in terms of off-road capability because that has factory portal support. But the fact that only a portal axle from a light-duty military truck is the one that could actually outshine the 80 series axles tells you a lot how good the 80 series axle is. I hope you enjoyed part 2. Here's part 3.